Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at the Residence Inn in SpringHill Suites by Marriott here in Nashville, Tennessee.
He's going up. I'm gonna get out 6 to use the restroom.
And they just replaced these with touch screens.
Floor.
Nice.
Why?
Going up.
Why? Why would you replace these with touch screens? Why? I mean, the cases 140 buttons were fine, but why would you have to replace touch screens?
Second floor.
Use the keypad to enter a destination floor.
1.
First floor. Going up.
There we go, 22. I just don't understand why they did this mod. It's so useless. But at least it's a nice cat. Hi. It's a nice elevator. Just like, I don't know why they waste their money on this.
22nd floor. Going down.
That was nice. And we're gonna be waiting there for a while. Yay! And there it is.
Going down.
Did you say going up? Ugh. Okay, this is different. 1.
16th floor. Going down.
What floor?
1.
1.
First floor.
There we go.
Going up.
Use the keypad to enter a destination floor.
I don't understand that. But why of all mods would you replace these with touchscreens a few years after you install them?
Going down.
Use the keypad to enter the destination floor.
There we go, star. I mean, these are nice elevators. My question is, why? Why would you waste your money on putting touchscreens literally inside the elevator? Not the greatest mod I've seen,
First
but
floor.
it could have been worse.
Going up.
And there goes that car. Let's see if we can ride the service car. Because this is the service car and these are the SpringHill suites in that stage. See, here we go. This is the other elevator here. This one got replaced with touchscreens too. Why? Bruh. We just made a random stop. Bro, why? Why would you waste all your money? Once again, these are nice elevators. As for why they did this, no clue. Going down? This is probably the worst mod I've seen. A KONE with KSS 140 get replaced with touchscreens. Not the greatest mod I've seen, but that's the... Those are the elevators here. And I guess that is going to be it for me.